Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a contraception reminder on the My Calendar period tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Scroll down to the reminders section and tap on contraception reminders. That's the third option. Here you can turn on this track contraception feature by tapping on this button on the right side. Then you can set the method of contraception, which is either birth control pills, patch, and here you can find a bunch of other options. So tap on the relevant one and click on the save button below. And here you can set the reminders to remind you not to take your contraceptive pills on time, so you won't forget it. So tap on this button and then select the time of it. Click on the save button, watch this video, and then skip it by tapping on the skip video button at the top. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.